Zengo Pro Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Zengo Pro Wallet app is changing how people think about crypto security. No passwords, no seed phrases, yet completely non-custodial. Sounds too good to be true. Let's explore the pros and cons to see how it stacks up. Let's start with the pros. Zengo's most groundbreaking feature is its keyless security. Instead of traditional private keys, it uses multi-party computation, or MMC technology. Your wallet is secured by two cryptographic shares, one stored on your device and one on Zengo's servers. Even if one side is compromised, your funds remain safe. This makes it almost impossible to lose access through human error, one of the biggest issues in crypto today. Another major plus is ease of use. The interface is clean, modern, and perfect for beginners. Setting up Zengo takes just a few minutes, and there's no need to write down a seed phrase. The app also supports biometric recovery, making access fast and secure. Zengo Pro also offers premium security features like web firewall protection that warns you about risky dApps before you connect, and human support, something rare for non-custodial wallets. Now for the cons. The first limitation is asset support. While Zengo continues to expand, it still doesn't support as many blockchains as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Another consideration is cloud dependency. Because part of the security model relies on Zengo servers, some users may prefer a fully offline setup for maximum privacy. In conclusion, the Zengo Pro Wallet app is one of the safest and most beginner-friendly crypto wallets out there. The surprising truth? It proves that convenience and security don't have to be opposites. For anyone tired of losing seed phrases or stressing over backups, Zengo might just be the future of crypto safety.